back to back open. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Keep up. Down. 1, 2, 3. Roll into the burrito one more time. 1, 2, switch hands. 5, 6. Guys, go in. 1, 2, lady passes. 5, get the lady by 7 to throw. 1, 2, 3. Push forward. 5, 6, 7. Now regular curls what they lead from the shoulder. 5, 6, and catch again. 1, 2, breathe in. Switch, switch, switch. Next part. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Next part. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that's the whole shebang.